Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by powering the printer and ensuring it's ready. Don't waste time on generic Wi-Fi tutorials. Once powered, approach the printer's control panel or connect a USB cable to your computer. You need direct access to the device itself because the only reliable method is to read its network info or print its network configuration. Make sure the printer is not in deep sleep and that you can navigate its menus. This lets you reach the networking options that store the Wi-Fi password. You now navigate the printer menus. Open Settings, the Network or Wireless, and look for either Print Network Configuration or View Wi-Fi Settings. Once found, print that configuration page or display the SSID and passphrase on screen. The printed sheet contains the exact password you need. If the printer lacks a display, find its IP from your router and open the embedded web server in a browser, then access the wireless settings. This is how the printer itself reveals the stored Wi-Fi key. You complete the task by entering the printed or displayed passphrase exactly as shown when connecting another device to the SSID. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive. Once done, confirm internet access and save the password in your device's network manager. If it doesn't work, reprint the network page and double-check for typos or outdated SSIDs. Make sure the router didn't rotate to a guest network. As a last resort, reset the printer's network settings and reconfigure, but only if you cannot retrieve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.